Hi everyone, it's Kevin from the Figure Owners Club. It's great to be with you. So today's video is all about these little things, the little knobs that go on the heater unit, the control knobs, and we might have a solution if yours is broken or you're looking for a replacement one. So we've got, I've just fitted them in our little bell here, and that's the 4 units. Now you can see they're a slightly different colour. These are being made by one of our members, Jon Franklin, and Jon's making these basically he's printing them using a 3D printer. Don't ask me how it works, it's so incredibly clever. It looks exactly like the real thing. The only difference is, I'll pick them both up, you can see that it's a slightly different colour. So it's lighter. Obviously this is more of a tanny colour, the original. You can see if I put the two together, that's the original and that's the new ones that Jon's doing. So the difference is, these ones that Jon's making himself, these are £16 a set, so you're looking at £4 each. And these ones I've looked on Google, and I think the Figaro shop is selling these, but I think they're around over £32, £33 maybe each for these. So you know, if you wanted one, even if you wanted one, it's probably going to be easier for you to just change the whole 4 to Jon's solution. You get 4 for £16. I mean, I don't know, what do you think of the colour? Do you think you could live with it? You know, I think at the end of the day it is what it is, and I guess after a while you just get used to the colour. That's the original, and that's the new ones. So anyway, I thought I'd show that to you. I'm quite impressed with them. £16 for a set of 4 plus postage and packing, and the information will be on the website. So hope you're interested in this particular product. If not, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.